up, YouTube?
I'm John.
And I'm Angie.
And this is
Yanji.
So today we are going to be doing a food review video.
We got the new, well, it's new in Canada. I don't know if it's new anywhere else, but it is the chicken Big Mac.
It's definitely new to us.
Yeah, so we got our fries, our drink, and our Big Macs. We did get extra mac sauce and extra cheese, just because the McDonald's that's nearby, they don't really put a lot of mac sauce.
Yeah.
At least that's my reason for getting extra mac sauce.
Alright.
Ready?
Alright guys, so this video is not going to be too long. It's just going to be simply telling our honest opinion about it. And simply just because we're really hungry.
Yeah.
So I got a Sprite.
Oh, sorry, Sprite. Large Sprite. Large fries.
Large fries, as you can see. She wanted to get me small fries, I don't know why. She thinks she's a prankster. So, I don't know if you guys can see the dish, but
So messy. It looks exactly like a Big Mac, but the patty is a chicken patty.
so for presentation, you already ate it?
No, I'm eating the.
Oh, relax. Presentation, what do you think? What would you give it out of 10?
Presentation wise, I would give it a 7. The patty is quite thin, so
You would like a thick one?
I would like a thicker one, like a McChicken patty.
Yeah, but it's a double. This is double.
Yeah, there's 2 patties in there.
That's why.
I love how the Big Mac sauce is falling out of the side though, but that is because we did get extra Mac sauce. So, what about you?
7. No, I'm just tasting. You know how there's a review of like how big.
Oh, how big it is?
Yeah, I like it. So I would say a 7 as well. I would say probably an 8.5 on the thing. And let's take our first bite. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I like that there's a lot of sauce. Because I think that's what's saving it. You know? Like, I was expecting something else.
But
But
a
it's
little bit
really
more
good.
flavor from the chicken.
Yeah. Did you order more pickles too? So, guys, we are not sponsored by McDonald's.
If you want to sponsor us,
Then,
we would complain. So, I tried just a piece of chicken just now. There's not that much flavor to it. Like, I feel like even the nuggets have a little bit more flavoring.
still, the sauce is really good. And look at the pickles.
I think with it all put together, it tastes really good.
Mine is getting all over the place. I don't know about yours.
Mine too. It's all over my head.
Look at the pig.
The fries. Have you ever tried fries with mac sauce, guys? It's really good.
Oh yeah?
You can try it, just dip it in your burger.
And as a meal, I would give it a 9. The fish thing is like the sauce is really, really good. Look, I even have it all over me.
I don't think anything can beat a mac sauce. McDonald's ways.
I feel like we were doing a Q&A, but we've done a Q&A in a previous video. But if there's any other questions that you guys have, we are always glad to respond. So comment down below your questions, and maybe in the next video we can gather the most popular ones and we'll do another video for that.
Yeah.
There wasn't that much slice on my, well, maybe, you know.
Yeah, I really hope so. But it's with mac sauce, so that's good.
How is it?
It's good. You can never go wrong with a Sprite.
Alright guys, so we're on our, I'm coming into my end corner and just coming into our last piece. But I already finished the chicken.
Really? Oh, no more.
So,
that was actually really good.
that was good. Would you recommend this meal to somebody?
I would. In the past for me, guys, I would never be able to order like a regular burger from McDonald's or from like these fast food restaurants. I would only be able to order chicken burgers. So like the McChicken. McChicken was my favorite. If they had something like this back then, like now my stomach's fine, I can eat regular burgers. But if they had an option like this would have been like amazing. But yeah, I wish they would have had this when I was just eating chicken burgers. It would have been amazing. Because you get the best of both worlds. Like the Big Mac is like McDonald's most popular burger, and a chicken burger, which was the only one I could eat. So put together, it's really good.
And I feel like this is a good alternative if you can't have beef, you just like chicken. So I would recommend it. Without that being said, that chicken was good.
Oh, really good.
We ate it fast. We gave our honest opinion. We rated it individually. Overall, I said 9 out of 10. You said
9.5 out of 10.
Alright. So, with that being said, we're going to be enjoying these last things off camera. So, with that being said, again, I'm John.
And I'm Angie.
And this is
Angie.
our first food review of the year. So, bye guys.
Bye.